Bullish Dogecoin cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 36 cents and 68 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept Doge could reach 28 cents by 2025. Bearish Dogecoin market cost expectation for 2023 is 6 cents. Dogecoin presentation. Programming designers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer thought of the thought for Dogecoin, otherwise called Doge, as a joke because of the then uncontrolled cryptographic money hypothesis. It is viewed as the first image coin and the first canine coin, all the more explicitly. In spite of being mocking, certain individuals view it as a suitable monetary open door. The Shiba Inu canine's face from the Doge image fills in as Dogecoin's token and namesake. Following its send-off on December 6, 2013, it quickly settled its internet-based local area. By May 5, 2021, had a market capitalization of more than $85 billion. It currently fills in as Watford's only sleeve support in the head association. Kindly note that the expectations recorded underneath are planned to give general data and ought not be viewed as venture exhortation. We suggest talking with experts first prior to making any Dogecoin speculations. Anyway, how about we plunge into this blog entry to find out more, will we? What is Dogecoin? Shared, open-source digital money. Dogecoin works over the web. It is viewed as an elective money and an unexpected image coin. An outline of a Shiba Inu canine fills in as Dogecoin's logo, which was presented in December 2013. Despite the fact that it was at first imagined as a joke, Dogecoin has filled in ubiquity. At the point when the cryptographic money bubble burst in late 2017, it drove a few coins' qualities a lot higher. When a center of allies actually exchanged Dogecoin and used it to tip for content on Twitter and Reddit, despite the fact that it lost quite a bit of its worth after the air pocket burst in 2018. On web-based trades for computerized monetary standards, clients can buy and sell Dogecoin. What's more, they can choose whether to keep their Dogecoin in a wallet or on a trade. Dogecoin specialized investigation. By and large, the pattern for Dogecoin stays in a downtrend, yet momentary energy moves consistently vertically, and the cost for the coin recuperates rapidly when it goes descending. Price. The cost dropped in a channel down pattern for quite a while. At the point when the cost swings inside the channel trend lines, brokers who accept the cost is probably going to remain inside the channel can put exchanges. At the point when an example is finished, place an exchange when the cost crosses the upper or lower pattern lines of the channel. At the point when this happens, the cost might flood in the breakouts heading. Trend. All time periods are on a descending pattern for this coin for quite a long time. The MACD line. When the coin is over the MACD signal line, the RSI stays under 50, and energy is blended. The volume on up days is greater than the volume on down days, as shown by the rising OBV pointer. Subsequently, request offset supply. Dogecoin essential investigation. It's memorables basic that dissimilar to on account of the securities exchange. Most digital currencies are projects instead of companies. Thusly, you can assess regardless of whether a digital money is worth the effort by directing a suitable central investigation and taking into account all the data accessible about the task. Essential examination is worried about deciding a resource's inherent worth. For instance, you can decide whether a digital currency is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about different inward and outer components. For Dogecoin, there are various incentives. The way that it isn't covered makes the incentive increment. The upsides of supporting the organization are recognized all through the entire mining environment. There is presently no rush toward an asserted hard cap. Dogecoin is right now worth 8 cents USD. Doge has moved 6.96% as of now with an exchanging volume of $821,868,451. Dogecoin is right now positioned 8 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $10,908,831,157 USD. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Dogecoin market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2023. Dogecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Doge cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 12 cents. Similarly, as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 11 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Doge is supposed to have a base worth of 9 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Dogecoin Doge cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Doge will before long outperform 20 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Doge general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Doge will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 16 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 17 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 28 cents and Doge might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Doge is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 25 cents and a low of 24 cents in 2025. Dogecoin value expectation 2026. On the off chance that Dogecoin effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the Dogecoin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Doge will be green in 2026. The Doge is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 36 cents, with a base cost of 32 cents and a typical cost of 33 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Doge cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 41 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 40 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Doge has a greatest value worth of 44 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 49 cents. On the off chance that Doge figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 52 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Doge needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 48 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2029. While Doge is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 56 cents and a yearly cost close above 60 cents in 2029. Dogecoin value expectation 2030. By 2030, Dogecoin will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 64 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 68 cents, averaging out at 65 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Doge cost in 2031 is projected to be 78 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 75 cents. What is the Dogecoin cost today? Today, Dogecoin is exchanging at 8 cents with an all-out market capitalization of $10,900